Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dave, and so I'm going to show you the crossbars that I got for my Jeep today. I had some low-profile ones on before, but I couldn't open the MySky. So some of you guys were asking, what could you have but still open your MySky? Here it comes. All right, so I got these. First of all, this is my Rhino X-Tray small. And then these are the crossbars that I got today. I had low profile ones on before and I couldn't open the MySky. So Walmart.com, these Reese Explore models on sale today for like $65. No shipping, in-store pickup. If you actually go to the store and try and buy them, they're $99. So I got my son inside. I'm gonna have him open up. Go ahead. So plenty of clearance. And then just going on to the back here, so plenty of clearance in the back. So if I want to take the rear one out and actually just remove both of them, I can do that too. So
Did you put on the roof rack again?
all right, so there it is on the front. (2016) Dawn of Justice. So there we go. It can be done for $65 plus your basket. All right, it's been ever Dave. God bless.